operation of the War Memorial Park Board. I tell you what, they step up and work with Hardin County Tractor Pullers so well, and they make it a beautiful venue for us to have events at, and we very much appreciate the working relationship we have with the Park Board. Trouble here tonight for Ethan folks, but I promise you he'll get her taken. Excuse me.
Dude, I think I'm gonna go try it.
Here we go, the Minder, Wade Walton.
You go ahead.
You know what? After this, before we go see your dad, let's go.
Wade Walton out of Hokie. Go Weston Walton. Well, looks like